Hi, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to learn how to find words in a dictionary. Are you ready? Let's go! All the words in a dictionary are listed in alphabetical order, so it's good to be sure that you know ABC order first. If you need a refresher, you might want to go back to the game Alphabetical Order Words for practice. Here, I have a list of 4 words found back-to-back in a dictionary: orbit, orca, orchard, and orchestra. Notice how they all have the same first 2 letters, and most have the same first 3 letters. There are so many words in the English language that you have to pay close attention. Sometimes there are 5 or more letters that are the same at the start of the word, and you have to look all the way to the 6th letter to find the difference. Now you might be thinking, okay, I know alphabetical order, but how can I look up just one word when there are so many in that huge book? Not to worry, there are a few things that the creators of dictionaries have put in them to help you. First, on the edges of the pages, there are markings to show which letter of the alphabet you are looking at. A words, B words, C words, and so on. A lot of times, there are even different colors or indentions on the side of the pages to help you find that first letter. Here you can see the dictionary is opened up to D words. Now let's say you want to look up koala. Koala starts with K. These letters on the side can help you quickly flip to the section of K words. Now, even in the K section, there are still a lot of words. That's where guide words come in handy. On every page of the dictionary, there is a word listed on the top left and top right corners of the pages. And these are separate from the main list of words with definitions. These guide words help you to know exactly what you can find on that page. The word in the top left will be the first entry of the page, and the word on the top right is the very last entry of the page. So I'm looking up koala. I flip to a page in the K section and find the words key and kind as guide words. Let's think. In alphabetical order, would koala come between those 2 words? No. The second letter is O, which comes after I, the second letter of kind. That means I need to flip to a later page. Okay, I've now flipped to a later page and I see the guide words klutz and Komodo dragon. Do you think it will be on this page? Well, that second letter, O, tells us it will come after klutz. What about Komodo dragon? It has a second letter of O. Let's look at the third letter. On koala, it's A, and Komodo dragon, it's M. A comes before M, so that means it will be on this page. Koala comes between the guide words in alphabetical order. Now that I've found the page, I just need to use my alphabetical order skills to find the entry on this page. And that's it. Now it's your turn. Be sure to practice what you've learned by looking up words in your own dictionary. Don't forget to play our online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.